In this video, we'll look at the benefits and process behind pre-commissioning and how to register a thermostat using safety control. Before getting started, an account must be created in safety control. A site must then be uploaded in safety control via an XLS file to include unit numbers, floor, and the type of unit. Pre-commissioning is a process and crucial registration and connectivity steps before wiring and powering the device. This includes mounting the UWP, registering the thermostat with a MAC address, and the connection to Wi-Fi. This means it's ready for efficient wiring and installation on site. This process ensures quicker installation and scalability for installing units to a multiple dwelling unit, or MDU, at a greater speed. The process includes ensuring the ISU is configured correctly, the correct number of stages of heat and cool, and temperature differentials must also be configured. This is to maximise the efficiency and effectiveness of the HVAC system for the resident. Once the thermostat is configured and loaded into safety control, we need to assign it to a residence. To do this, select Properties from the main menu. Choose a building by selecting the arrow. Then choose an apartment by selecting the arrow. Select the dots, then select Add Thermostat. Select the correct device type from the drop-down. Insert a name and MAC address, and finally select Save. The connected device will be displayed on the page. It may take up to 5 minutes before the device is registered and it displays a status. Finally, ensure the device displays the correct operating status, such as the room temperature. For more information on safety devices, please visit Resideo Academy.